of you for coming. When I originally accepted the invitation to introduce Louis Kalman tonight, I thought it was for his 90th birthday. Only when I started to prepare these remarks did I discover that he's actually 97, and that the occasion is his retirement as chairman of Chessing Schools. Since I am 12 years younger than he is, this makes him a role model for me for the rest of my life. We have something else in common. I have also retired many times, and I expect we will both probably keep on doing that in the future. It gives me very special pleasure to introduce Louis tonight. I have known Louis since we were both young men, so for many, many years. He was one of my first acquaintances in New York when I arrived from London in the 1950s. We used to enjoy skiing together then, and later we both became big supporters of Human Rights Watch. Much later, in 2004, we also partnered in democratic politics. We both qualified as quintessential bleeding heart liberal, limousine liberals. Tonight, we are celebrating Louis's commitment to Chessing Schools, a really outstanding organization. Becoming immersed in the game has helped so many young people excel academically and in other aspects of their lives. I filled my table tonight with chess enthusiasts, including David Berman, a supporter of Chessing Schools in his native South Africa. His son, Jacob, has been beating me at the game since he was 10. He's also beating many others in international tournaments, so I don't feel so bad. But now David's 6-year-old son has also taken up the game, and I really need to get my act together to keep him from beating me. Louis, congratulations for recognizing the value of chess for young people, and on that note, let me call you to the podium.